You're watching the Alabama Weather Network.
It's Friday, the 5th of December. This is meteorologist James Spann. Clouds will hang tough across most of Alabama through Sunday, but the better chance of meaningful rain will stay across the southern part of the state. Let's check the upper air look. We'll talk about the weekend situation. And it's what we've seen for the past several days. We have kind of a split flow. We have the northern branch of the jet stream with this trough over extreme eastern Canada, which has been delivering this cool air. And then the southern branch of the jet stream, which is very active. These waves coming through from time to time, producing periods of rain. That's the radar composite early this morning, and a little drizzle across the central counties. And some light rain falling across southeast Alabama right before sunrise, places like Geneva, Enterprise, and Dothan. And again, today, tomorrow, and Sunday, the better chance of rain over the southern quarter of the state, although there could be a little drizzle at times over the northern counties. This morning as the day begins, we've got 30s for the Tennessee Valley, 40s for the central counties, low 50s for extreme South Alabama. High should be in the 50s for most spots today. Maybe some spots reaching the low 60s across South Alabama. On the watch warning map this morning, winter weather advisories for almost all of Virginia and some of the adjacent states. By the way, Troy plays football up there at Harrisonburg, Virginia tonight in the Sun Belt Championship game. The snow will end this morning, but it's going to be very cold for that game. Temperatures will likely be below freezing, upper 20s and low 30s. Out west, winter storm warnings in effect for some of the mountains. Colorado, Utah, Wyoming, Idaho, and Montana. And no concern with severe storms anytime soon. There might be a little clap of thunder somewhere over parts of North Florida, extreme South Alabama, South Georgia today, nothing severe. Tomorrow and on Sunday, much of the country in cool, stable air. Rain for the next 7 days, most of it over South Alabama. Mobile, Dothan, maybe a half inch. Montgomery, maybe 2/10 of an inch, and really nothing more than drizzle for the northern half of the state. And drizzle can be inconvenient, but in terms of getting measurable rain, probably nothing between now and Friday morning of next week. The new drought monitor released yesterday. Southern two-thirds of the state still in drought conditions. We have that D3 extreme drought for parts of southeast Alabama from near Andalusia back over to Dothan, and in parts of west Alabama, Greensboro down toward Nanophilia. North Alabama doing okay, but some parts of the state there still abnormally dry. All right, model fans, let's go. We'll take it day by day. European, 4 o'clock today, OZ Run. Again, you can see that active southern branch and most of the rain down south. We'll check the high-resolution HER model. This is valid this evening at 6 o'clock. And you can see the better chance of rain south of a line from near Thomasville to Montgomery to Opelika. And North Alabama, you'll stay socked in with clouds all day. And again, there could be a little drizzle, but not enough most likely to measure. So this is tomorrow. Same thing, better chance of rain, South Alabama. Here's the high-resolution HER model, valid, this is tomorrow afternoon at 1. Better chance of rain south of a line from Mobile to Greenville to Eufaula. And again, North Alabama socked in with clouds, but most of the day will be dry. And again, we should mention Jacksonville plays tonight in the CUSA Championship game against Kennesaw State. Clouds, yes. Rain, probably not, which is good. Sunday, it looks like a pretty good chunk of the state could be dry during the day, but one last little wave comes in here Sunday night. And even North Alabama could see a little light rain Sunday night, but not very much. And then Monday, we start to get into sinking air subsidence, and that means a brighter day. We believe the sky becomes partly sunny. And we should mention highs over the weekend and Monday should be in the 50s. Tuesday, a sunny day. Many spots starting the day below freezing. The high will be in the 50s. Wednesday, we'll call it partly sunny. And then Thursday, a front comes through. But the European here suggesting there's just not enough moisture for any meaningful chance of rain. turn a bit colder, and a week from today, this is Friday, the 12th of December, same basic idea, ridge in the west, trough in the east, and we are cool and dry. We do note a little Alberta clipper coming down through the lower Great Lakes. That might bring some snow to places like Indianapolis, Chicago, Cincinnati, maybe East Tennessee, but that clipper should stay north and east of Alabama. Let's go out 10 days. This is Sunday, December 14th. Same idea, western ridge, eastern trough, and we are cool and dry. Rain for the next 15 days. Really not much for December. Typically, things are pretty active this time of the year. The mean is the green line on that chart. A little over 1 inch. Temperatures coming off the NBM, National Blend of Models. Highs mostly in the 50s, lows mostly in the 30s. Over the next 10 days, the coldest morning will be most likely Tuesday morning of next week, when many spots could wind up in the upper 20s. And the latest long-range guidance. This is for December 12th through December 18th. Temperatures here pretty close to average. Pretty cold up north and up in the northeast, and relatively mild in the western states. The corner of Dexter and Bainbridge, Montgomery, Alabama, the state capital. Christmas tree there looking good. A lot of folks like to be in New York City in December for Christmas. That's looks like that's Rockefeller Center. There's another shot of Manhattan there taken last night. And some people go to Disney World for Christmas in December. That was taken last night. Of course, Alabama socked in with clouds. Had a big full moon last night. We just didn't see it here because of all of those clouds. So today I will be in Moulton, Lawrence County Signature School, for a program there, and then I'll be speaking to a big group of teachers after that. The Drummond Heart of Education Award winners. These are our Teachers of the Month for the past year. Love to encourage teachers. I hang out in schools every day, and I know how hard it is. And they do a great job, and looking forward to seeing them there. Don't forget, you can catch me this evening on ABC 3340 News and every day on great radio stations around the state, including in Birmingham, 104.7 WZZK. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous Friday, and God bless.